Hey runners, this is Will from We Run Las Vegas. Let you see where I'm at today. I'm at the Hard Rock Guitar inside of the Hard Rock Live. I'm gonna let you see the lineup. I'm gonna film it for you. Give me a second, I'll zoom in a little better so you can see. Concert for Jamaica Relief. I'm getting ready to go back on stage. And you can see what's going on. Everybody's doing a sound check. We're gonna go in for a minute. And I'm gonna let y'all see what's going on. Back in, going. Let's stick our head in here. Let's see who's here. Let's see. Yes. Break room for the tour. There's Rory. Well, this door, stage. We can make it backstage. We got Marcia Griffin right there. It's electric. Backstage, running around for a little bit, let you guys see what I do all day, or some of the days. Great Lance, homeboy Lance. Yeah, we just chilling out here. But this is what happens before major concerts. Sound check.